With the novel coronavirus tightening its hold on the country, this is the institution that is at the forefront of monitoring the spread of the virus. What is Indian Council of Medical Research and how has its response been to COVID-19, which is clearly one of the worst public health crises in decades? In India, ICMR is the apex body for all kinds of biomedical research. So when a new virus like COVID-19 emerges, it becomes the responsibility of ICMR to learn everything about the virus and find a medical solution, like a vaccine, to contain its spread. Protective measures against the virus began in the last week of January when thermal screenings began for travelers coming in from China across 7 airports. Soon, the Indian Army set up a quarantine facility for 300 Indian students returning from Wuhan. However, explicit guidelines came only on March 6th when ICMR released screening criteria for those returning from abroad. Under these guidelines, throat and nasal swabs were collected from symptomatic individuals from affected countries, close contacts of confirmed positive cases, and all individuals from Wuhan and Diamond Princess ship. Within the next 2 weeks, the ICMR managed to isolate the COVID-19 virus strain and revise the testing strategy. Under the new guidelines, people were asked to home quarantine themselves for 14 days if they were in close physical proximity with someone diagnosed with COVID-19 or if they had a history of travel in the last 14 days to high-risk COVID-19 affected countries. As cases continued to rise in India, by April 2nd week, the ICMR had once again widened its COVID-19 testing strategy to include all patients with influenza-like symptoms such as fever, cough, sore throat, runny nose in hotspots and cluster zones. The announcement was made after a study in which 40 patients with severe acute respiratory illness or SARI were found to be COVID-19 positive even though they had no travel history or contact with any positive cases. Despite this, ICMR did not use the phrase community transmission. Despite global efforts, we don't have any particular cure for this novel coronavirus yet. ICMR just announced that almost 40 vaccines are under development, even though it might take up to a year before it is available for use. It will also participate in a Solidarity trial, which is an international randomized trial of additional treatments for COVID-19 in hospitalized patients. This is happening in collaboration with World Health Organization. Despite these efforts, ICMR has been on the receiving end of widespread criticism over the handling of the crisis. And it doesn't look like the virus nor the criticism are going to go away anytime soon.